Hello, everyone. Good neighbors make good fences. I recently appeared as a guest on CTV News to comment on a dispute between two homeowners who were arguing over who should pay for the repair of their boundary fence. They say that good fences make good neighbors. Here are 6 things you need to know about boundary fences. Number 1, is there a law that says there must be a boundary fence between two adjoining properties? The answer is no. However, this does not prevent owners from erecting a boundary fence between their respective properties. Number 2, who pays the cost of the fence? In most situations, the neighbors should share the cost of the boundary fence on a 50-50 basis. Number 3, what if one neighbor wants a very elaborate fence and the other neighbor does not agree? In this situation, a recommended solution is for the neighbor who just wants a regular chain link fence to pay 50% of that cost. And if the neighbor wants a more expensive fence, they can pay for the extra cost themselves. Number 4, what if an existing fence needs repair? Who pays if the owners cannot agree? There is a law in Ontario called the Line Fences Act, and it provides that when neighboring owners have disputes such as this, they can contact the clerk of the city that they live in and pay for fence referees to come out and decide these issues. Depending on the city, it could cost up to $1,500 for these people to come out. Their decision can then be used to force the owners to comply. In some cities, the city answer is work it out for yourselves or go to small claims court. Number 5, what if there is an argument over the actual boundary line between two properties? This issue cannot be decided by any fence referee. The parties will likely have to obtain an up-to-date survey and legal advice in order to determine what the correct boundary line is. Number 6, can you take land by adverse possession or squatters' rights and change the boundary lines? In my experience, it is extremely difficult to take anyone's land away by possession in Ontario. In most cases, it is not possible at all. And if it is possible, it may take at least 30 years of proof of possession to make a claim. Make sure you always get legal advice before making any such claims. The moral in all of this is to just work together with your neighbor on any dispute and come up with a friendly solution. You will otherwise pay much more in unnecessary legal fees and unwanted stress. If you have any questions about fence lines or need assistance with your real estate closing, please contact me at mark@realestatelawyer.ca or toll free at 1-888-876-5529. Thank you.